I'm going to show you how to change your IP address in Windows 10. Go to Start, type Control Panel, click here to open it, select Network and Internet, then click on Network and Sharing Center. Here click on Change Adapter Settings. Now right click on your connections, then select Properties, open Properties of IPv4. At the same time go to Start, type CMD, open command prompt and type ipconfig and hit enter. Now in the properties, shift to this option to edit IP addresses, and as per Windows IP configuration, enter this address in IP addresses, subnet mask and default gateway. Again go to command prompt, type 192.168.1.15. Check that it is working or not. If not, then set these values. And again try to ping. That's it. Type exit and hit enter. Close all windows and you are good to go.